Must you know this? Absolutely. Understanding must in English. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of English grammar. We're focusing on an important modal verb, must. As always, we aim to make learning English as enjoyable and easy as possible. The word must is a modal verb in English. Now, what is a modal verb? It's a type of verb that is used to indicate likelihood, ability, permission, and obligation. Today, we're focusing on must as an expression of obligation or necessity. When we say must, we often express a strong obligation. It could be a rule, a law, or a personal necessity. For example, you must wear a helmet while riding a bike. This shows a rule or law. I must finish this project tonight. Here, must is used to express a personal obligation. Remember, when the obligation comes from the speaker, we usually use must. Must can also express necessity or things that are necessary to do. For instance, you must drink plenty of water in hot weather. Here, must means it is necessary for health. We must protect the environment. This implies a global necessity. Must is more commonly used in formal contexts for this purpose. The negative form of must, which is must not or mustn't, indicates prohibition, something that is not allowed. For example, you must not enter the room. This means it is prohibited to enter the room. She mustn't be late for the meeting. Here, it means being late is not acceptable. That's it for today. We've explored the modal verb, must, its definition, and its usage for expressing obligation and necessity. Remember, mastering modals is a key step in your English learning journey, and must is a must-know. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing and we'll catch you in our next lesson. Happy learning!